August 3rd to 5th is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. I see our Queen is here.
Second.
Those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Big happy to.
I get to go.
Whereas Beaufort County, South Carolina is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into what was being established as the city of Beaufort in the Port Royal region. And whereas these African people populated the islands of the Port Royal region, which have already been occupied by the indigenous people, for which many of the sea islands have been named. And whereas the islands of Beaufort County, including Port Royal, St. Helena, Ladies Island, Daughtah, Palawana, Hilton Head, Coosaw, Warsaw, Hunting Island, and several others. And whereas these African people came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who is the visionary for the celebration of the native St. Helena Island in Beaufort, South Carolina, whereas the city of Beaufort has continued to recognize the legacy of Gullah Geechees as part of the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week for the past 2 years, and whereas we support the series of activities taking place throughout Beaufort County and the city of Beaufort to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and to honor the souls of Emmanuel Nine and the legacy of the Gullah Geechee churches and spiritual empowerment of this community. And whereas we join in the theme for this year's Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, Time for Shout. Now therefore, the City Council of the City of Beaufort hereby proclaims August 3rd through the 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So,
Thank you.
I want to tell them to do this evening. I'm so glad you could be here once again in the city of Beaufort. Thank you, Mayor Billy, as we call it, Mayor Cosley, and the town council, even though, or 2 months ago, I'm start celebrating because they ain't here this evening. I'm so glad you could be here. I'm Queen Quet, and I am a native of St. Helena Island. My family stems from Palawana and Daughtah Island, so it is a blessing to have this honor presented once again by the city of Beaufort, because for many years, you know, we acted as if the river was really a great divide. So it's wonderful to have Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week bringing our sea islands of this county even closer together in the city of Beaufort. And it's wonderful to now have a Gullah Geechee Visitor Center right in the city of Beaufort, a thing like that, they're right across the street and everything. So I thank you and I appreciate you and look forward to celebrating here in Beaufort, even starting next week with the Water Festival, and just going to keep on going to the end of the month with Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Thank you. And you did a good job on the Gullah right there.
I tried very hard.
Good job. That's why he made you read it. He didn't want to get in trouble. Yes, good job. Thank you.
Thank you.